Brand new. First time using it. A little dangerous, not gonna lie. Should have brought safety glasses, but here we go. See if it fits. No, a little more. No, a little more. Yeah, a little more. Yeah. Now we're good. Okay, you have to go little by little. You don't want to cut too much off at a time, which I literally just learned. I tried to do too much and it didn't work very well, so now poke a poke. Poke, poke. Okay, let's take a look. Yep, more. Oh, a little bit more. Yeah, that's good. Enough battery to get through this job. Barely enough. I have to do one more hole. Okay, that's good. Flush. I didn't think this needed so much battery, but it does. I guess I should have known, to be honest. Okay. Very lucky. Very lucky. Oh my god. I got so lucky there. Could have freaking ruined it. Okay, we're in. So I have to do like 3 more passes. Oh, tiny bit more, just a tiny bit more. Okay, last pass. See what we got. Yeah, we're good. Bye. We're good. Alrighty. And I made it. Yes. So happy. I didn't think I was gonna make that. Yeah, see? Perfect. Perfect. This one to go. Might have to get this one a little bit. Open this one up a little bit more. But I'm gonna open it up a little bit more. Bring yours back on there. Okay. Yeah, so that one's in now. Okay, so we're good. Beautiful. Okay. Okay. I am a mess. I shouldn't be working like this on her counter, but I have nowhere else to work, so. So, this one had electric behind it last time. Let's see what it does here too. Yeah, so we're getting something there. This is good. And here, we should be okay. This install is really difficult because it's tile and then behind it is drywall. So I wasn't sure the best way to put these on there, but honestly, I use this and it's quite strong. So I talked to her what she's going to put on it. She said, you know, just like light things, nothing crazy. So it should be fine. I'm trying to avoid this. See those shells over there? Those shells over there on an angle. That's what I'm trying to avoid. These are extremely professional. These cost €8 a piece. So they're very good. Okay. Let's just make sure we're good here before we drill. Yeah, we're good. Okay. We're through that one. Give this a little wet. Just to cool off your tile drill bits. Okay. Through that one. Just a little bit of water. That's all you need. I didn't check this one, but it should be okay. Yeah, we're good. Okay, last one. We're through. So. How about this? I like to clean up as I go because it just gets so messy here. So now we're going with the regular. This is to get through the drywall. So this is the one that's a little dangerous. Okay, we're good. Don't need this anymore. Not for now. Okay. So this is also like a very difficult install because we have water. We're in the kitchen, and on the other side is the bathroom. It's the shower. So, you know, you got to be careful. I don't want to have an accident, and then, you know, I'm losing money on this job, and it's happened. It's not fun. Okay. And then I'm going to use these thick screws. I'm going to use these big ones. They're stronger. I'll show you what came. This is what came with the product. This isn't going to work in drywall. In my opinion, it's not. I don't think it's a good option. I don't think it's safe. I think it'll sag or it'll fall one day. So I don't like using these. That's why I told the customer we should go with these. She agreed. And that's that. So if you look at these things, they actually go a little up, which is what you want. Because when you put weight on it, they're going to go down a little bit. So hopefully it goes down and it's flat. That's the sound we want. We want that from this. That means we're nice and solid. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Oh, let's see if it goes in. There we go. Cool. That looks pretty good. It's actually super up. It's actually too angled. It's too angled. You see that? So I have to make some adjustments. I'll bring you guys back when it's finished. Okay guys, this is how they finished. I think they look great. I put massia acrylica to hide all the gaps, and I think they look awesome. I think they're quite strong. Should be able to hold quite a bit of weight. Yeah, I think they look great.